Okay, let's talk about the Spanish verb hallar. Hallar. Do you know the meaning of this interesting Spanish verb? Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna talk about the Spanish verb hallar. Hallar. This verb is a regular verb. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. You can also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Okay, let's get it started. Hallar is a common Spanish verb, and it is also a regular verb. This word means to find. To find. Hallar is very similar to the Spanish verb encontrar. Encontrar. Sometimes people use encontrar more than hallar. But both verbs are really common and really helpful. Hallar can be used in a situation where you need to find a person, a thing, or a place. Okay, now let's see a few examples. La policía halló al asesino. La policía halló al asesino. This means the cops or the police found the murderer. La policía, the police or the cops, were trying to find a murderer. As you can see, the verb hallar was used in this situation. Halló. Halló is the conjugated form of the verb hallar in past tense. Okay? Now let's see another example. No hallo el restaurante. No hallo el restaurante. I can't find the restaurant. If you noticed, in the previous example, we had to use an accent mark on top of the letter O in the word hallo. And that is because hallar was conjugated in past tense. Halló. Halló. Okay? In this example, hallo is in present tense because I'm saying that I can't find something. No hallo. And also the intonation changed. Instead of saying halló, that's the past tense, I'm saying hallo, 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 hallo. Okay? Hallo is a conjugated form of the verb hallar in present tense. No hallo el restaurante. I can't find the restaurant. Okay, now hallar can be also used in situations when you are discovering or inventing an unknown thing. You know, something new, something you are discovering, you are finding out new ways to do something. Now let's see a few examples so you can see what I'm referring to. Los médicos hallaron la cura contra la enfermedad. Los médicos hallaron la cura contra la enfermedad. Doctors found the cure for the disease. Doctors found the cure for the disease. In this example, hallar means found as well, but in a different situation when you discover or invent something new. In this situation, doctors found the cure for some disease. So, yeah, los médicos hallaron la cura contra la enfermedad. Hallaron. Okay? That's, once again, another conjugated form of the verb hallar. Hallaron. That's in past tense because they already discovered the cure. Now let's see another example. Los arqueólogos hallaron una pirámide. Los arqueólogos hallaron una pirámide. Archaeologists found a pyramid. That's what this sentence means. And we are using pretty much the same conjugated form of hallar, which was hallaron or is hallaron. And we're talking about archaeologists. They found something, they discovered something. Okay? And also, well, the translation of hallaron is found in this situation. Okay, now let's talk about a different situation. Hallar also can refer to be present somewhere. You are somewhere, you're present in a situation, at a place, and you can use the verb hallar for that as well. Now let's see a few examples. Miguel se hallaba en la tienda cuando vio a María correr. Miguel se hallaba en la tienda cuando vio a María correr. This means Miguel was in the store when he saw Maria run. This is an interesting situation because you're not finding anything. You are somewhere present. Hallar can also refer to be present somewhere. Miguel se hallaba. Miguel was en la tienda, in the store, when he saw, cuando vio, María run. A María correr. ¿Ok? Miguel se hallaba en la tienda cuando vio a María correr. You could say Miguel estaba, which is also Miguel was. And that would be perfectly fine. This is a more interesting way to say Miguel was. Miguel se hallaba. Where was he? Where was he present? In the store, en la tienda. Okay? So yeah, that's quite interesting how we can use this verb in this situation as well. Also, hallar can be used in a situation when you try to find something. It could be things or feelings, something tangible or not. Okay. Also, if you try to find something, it's similar to the first situation when you try to find a place, a thing, or a person. But yeah, in this situation, it could be a more relaxed way to find someone. It could be the love of your life. It could be more friends, and so on. Now, let's see a few examples using hallar in this situation. Tengo que hallar a esa chica. No dejo de pensar en ella. Tengo que hallar a esa chica. No dejo de pensar en ella. This means I have to find that girl. I keep thinking about her. So yes, this is a romantic situation. Someone has to find a girl or a woman because that person can't stop thinking about her. Okay? Tengo que hallar. I have to find. And yep, that's pretty much what this means. Okay, let's see another example. María quiere hallar la felicidad. María quiere hallar la felicidad. This means Maria wants to find happiness. We're talking about feelings here, or something that is intangible, or something that you can't touch physically, like feelings. So, María quiere hallar la felicidad. Maria wants to find happiness. Hallar, to find. Okay. Now, let's see one more example. Tengo que hallar ese documento. Es muy importante. Tengo que hallar ese documento. Es muy importante. This means I have to find that document. It's very important, or it is very important. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. You can visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. If you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel. You only have to go to smlessons.com and click on donate, or you can just click the direct link that I'm leaving in the video description down below. Another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!